Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lexy, the best of the best in the real out of real. Happy New Year, and I wanted to say thank you to everybody who tuned in last week to Gwaan Dancehall live in Kingston. Vybz said the big things. She started off the year right, reaching 1 million followers. The first dancehall artist alive to reach that milestone. She worked very hard to receive that amount of followers. It just so happened that it was on Vybz Kartel's birthday, who is still incarcerated, but many people have celebrated and many people acknowledged his birthday as well, including many celebrities. Another Jamaican soca artist had reached 10 million views on YouTube, which was Linky first in his hit single. Maybe a possible remix for a SteffLonDon song, Heard It, featuring French Montana. Popcaan had posted this video. It seems like it may be a collaboration, and I'm here for it, and yes, Ono is here for it too. Shaggy has been in the news for very exciting things. He just recently had his Shaggy and Friends performance in Kingston, Jamaica, which all proceeds go to Bustamante Hospital for Children. But it doesn't stop there with Shaggy either. He's going to be starring in a new movie on Netflix. Here's a sneak peek of that.
Don't kill Shaggy. I fucking love Shaggy. What? Don't kill Shaggy. It's happening.
Say it wasn't me. Sing it, Shaggy.
Honey came in and she caught me red-handed, creeping with a girl next door.
Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on a bathroom floor. How do I forget that I have given?
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.